Welcome back, everyone. This is a Samsung S24 FE charge port replacement guide. There's something wrong with the microphone, and I went to test it, and it sounded all static, and the charge port and microphone are connected to each other. So we're going to teach you how to replace the charge port on the S24 FE. First off, we'll start with powering it down, and then I want to introduce you to this video sponsor while we heat up the back. Sick of using all these different screwdrivers? Have a Fanatic Next workstation. Here's the star of the show, the Fanatic Next screwdriver. It's lightweight, ergonomic, and features a powerful motor with adjustable torque settings. Perfect for those delicate electronics. Inside, a set of precision bits with a magnetic work mat. The bits are made with high quality S2 steel, ensuring durability and precision for all your projects. It doesn't even end there. It comes with all the prying tools that you can imagine. Don't just sit there. Upgrade your workstation with the Fanatic Next screwdriver kit. Upgrade today, and I'll have a link in the description below. Back to the repair. So we're heating it up on our heating pad on the back side for about 10 minutes to heat up the back glass, because we don't want to break something while we're doing this. And here's the new part. It's from mobilecentrics.com. And if you're going to use where I order my parts, please leave me a super thanks. It helps me pay for making videos like these. All right, so we'll check if it's too hot to touch, and it's just right. So it's too hot to touch, and we're ready to pry it off. We'll first start with a suction cup and a metal pry tool, and stick our metal pry tool underneath at the bottom near the charge port. Once we make enough room for our plastic pry tool to get our plastic pry tool underneath next before continuing to pry off the back. Carefully pry off the back with the plastic pry tool. You can also use some isopropyl alcohol to loosen the adhesive if you're having a hard time getting it off. But I recommend just using heat, so then you don't have to worry about the paint coming off when you pry off the back. Now, we'll grab our Fanatic Next screwdriver and put in a PH000 screwdriver bit and remove all these screws holding down the wireless charging pad to get to the battery connection. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for extra videos, and I have tons of videos. We're going to remove the connection to the wireless charging pad that's in blue, and then we'll lift up the wireless charging pad just like so and disconnect the battery right here in red. Now remove the wireless charging pad, slowly pulling up on it, removing the adhesive from the bottom. Then grab out your PH000 screwdriver and remove all these screws. Grab from the top and grab the loudspeaker and pull it out just like so, and then you can disconnect everything. You'll disconnect the charge port, the Wi-Fi and cell signal antenna, microphone possibly is connected to that. Then grab out your PH000 screwdriver and remove these two screws holding down the charge port that are black. You want to keep track of these. Use the pointy end of your plastic sponger and lift out the charge port right here and pull it out just like so. Perfect. Now grab out the new charge port and you can put it back together, and you won't have to Frankenstein it back together because I showed you how to take it apart. Anyways, you guys can take it from here. I'm just going to speed up this part of the video and we can listen to some music. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints, money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague, we all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every screen, I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering, negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working, never stop searching, never quench the thirsty, I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic, you can't stop it, it's been chronic, since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic,
I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas, never stop this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cap